friends. And yeah, this is my.
No, that's not how you type it.
This is my IKEA. Why is it so bright?
BKIT. Wait.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, the underground.
What is this guy doing? Okay, I just
Follow me.
don't
The
mind.
secret place.
That is the Sweden flag for IKEA. I don't know why my friends are yapping. We got annoying orange, the living room set. We got the furniture set. We got the bathroom set. We got the playground set. We got the kitchen set. And we got the garden set. It isn't done.
By the way, can you give me B kit so I can like show them the inside of the ground? Thank you. You're gonna come with me, you know that.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
You're here now. Jerry, go to the little hole, Just bring them. You got to